Okay, today we are testing to see which strawberry jam is the best. We're comparing against our Dining on a Dime cookbook, homemade strawberry jam versus all of these, oops, I forgot one, that you can buy at my local store here. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit on each one. Towards the edge there. This is Mike's favorite right here. But it's the reddest. Wow, look at the difference in colors in all of these. Huh, that is very interesting. Huh. All right.
What's interesting is if you look inside there too,
yeah.
They look different inside.
All right, we are making strawberry jam. Now, I got these strawberries at the grocery store, and I will say, I had a coronary when I saw the price. I used to never pay more than 99 cents for a pound of strawberries, but now I'll pay probably $1.50, I guess, with the way inflation's going right now. So I don't know what strawberries are going to be this year, maybe $1.50, but these were $2.50 a pound. But look at the difference between the 8 ounce and the 2 pound. Holy cow, 8 ounces of strawberries, which is a half a pound, is the same price as 2 pounds. I was totally shocked. So watch your prices. All right, and another tip I have is when you have, and this tip is in our Dining on It, so the recipe and the tip is in our Dining on a Dime Volume 1, page 422, right there. Now, this tip is in the book, but if you have a little bit of jam left over in your jam jar, take and add 3/4 of a cup of hot water, shake it around, let it melt real well, and pour it into popsicle molds. Or you could add it to Jell-O for extra flavoring to your Jell-Os. You could add it for, I don't know, you could do even things like rice pudding or bread pudding. That would be really good too. Make like a glazed sauce, add a little bit of sugar, and you could have like a glazed sauce. Cook it down just a little bit. So when your jam or jelly gets down low, don't just throw away that last little bit. Actually use the last little bit. I don't know, what could you use the last little bit of jam and jelly? Comment and let me know. I am going to mash up my strawberries. I realized in the directions it doesn't say mash them up. So I'm gonna mash them up. Well, I guess you win some and you lose some. Okay, blindfold yourself. All right, here we go. Are you ready?
Nope.
Nope. Okay, here's this one. On a scale of 1 to 10. Don't hold back, just put out the number.
Well, I don't have anything to compare it to, but 7 maybe?
7. Okay.
8.
8. Okay.
Oh, am I gonna run out of highs to go to?
Oh, stop worrying about that. Just put a number out there. If we have to go above 10, we can go above 10.
5.
Okay. Is this like our wedding me feeding you cake?
I might have to try the other one again. No, this is 8 or maybe slightly higher.
8 or higher.
Maybe slightly higher.
So 9?
It's not 9. Well, the one that I said was 8. This is good. It's slightly better. Maybe about the same or slightly better.
Okay.
Probably 7.
7. Okay.
It's probably down closer to the 5 or I don't know. Maybe even 4.
5 or 4. Okay.
Well, the thing is, at first I thought, there's some weird aftertaste on it.
Okay. All right. You want to know which one you want?
No. Just kidding.
Okay. So, here. Let me taste test first and see.
Now you're going to do the taste testing?
Yes. Just put it on the spoon. I don't need it on the bread. I would say that's a 7.
Okay. 7.
Yep. Mm, 2.
2. Whoa. Okay.
That's the Walmart one. I can tell you right now.
This was a 7. She said. Okay. Hold please.
Yeah, that's a Walmart one. Probably a 7.
7. So this was tied with the other one.
Yeah. Say it's 4.
4. Wow. Okay.
That one's an 8.
8. Ooh.
Yeah.
So that's your favorite one so far?
So far.
8, 7, 7, 4. Okay. Hold please. Oh, it's falling off. Hold on a minute. Careful, it's a little drippy.
I would say that's an 8. That's the homemade one. I like that one the best. That's a homemade one. Yeah, I'm sure. Was I right? I was right.
So you like the homemade one and Melinda's preserves?
Really? Was I right on the Walmart one?
Yeah, you were right on the Walmart one. Was I right on the Walmart one? That's what I want to know.
You actually liked it better than I thought you did. So the one that you liked the best was this one and this one. You said this one was slightly better, so you actually like this one better.
So I think in the past I've liked that one, and I think we decided it's because there's more sugar.
Yeah.
But what's funny is you don't see.
So how much sugar is in that one? Let's see. This one is 24 added sugar.
24 what?
Oh, and 24%, and this is 20% added sugar. That's 10 grams of added sugar, and this is 12 grams of added sugars.
Oh, added
So
sugar.
this is 12 grams of added sugars. Interesting. And I like this one the best. So how much sugar does this one have? It has 8 grams of sugar.
It has less sugar, and you like it better.
Well,
Doesn't look
what
like
I
there's
like
sugar.
about the homemade is this tasted more like strawberries to me. This tasted like eating strawberries out of the garden to me. But, yeah. Okay, let's do orange marmalade. Oh, the Walmart one's sugar-free!
But the Walmart one, I thought the Walmart one I liked one time was.
Here, can you open that? Okay, hold on. We got to redo the whole test.
The whole test? You're going to open them all again?
We're not going to do the whole test. Here's what we're going to do. So you can't even get the Walmart one open.
It's because
seriously?
they're going to steal it from the store. Okay.
Oops.
You can't have any of
that's
this
not gonna
yummy
work.
goodness.
Oh, great. How are you supposed to get it
It
open?
has a child safety seal thingy on it. You don't want the kids to poison themselves. Just kidding. Sorry. I didn't have a preconceived idea of that one.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do. You're going to take one of the other ones, any of these is fine, and compare it. Well, don't let me know which one.
Well, I thought you had your eyes covered, woman.
I don't.
Cover your
And then
cheater, pumpkin eater. Come on.
And then give me one of each, and I'll rate them both. Okay. That's funny because I actually like the Splenda one. Okay, now I can't see.
Here, hold on a second.
Be interesting to see if I do the same number for it too. That's the Walmart one. I'd say that's a 4. There's the rag if you need to wipe off the spoon.
Oh.
So it's not contaminated.
So try a different one then.
Okay, now what's the next one? Well, I don't like that one much better either. That's probably a 7.
Oh, wait. Let me give you one more. Have you tried this one?
Oh man, that's awful. That's the Splenda one. Stop it! You heard. That's the Splenda one.
I was just going to see how you felt between the.
But I like the Splenda one
the Walmart
before.
with the sugar and the one with the Walmart without the sugar.
But after tasting
No, you didn't like it before.
I didn't? Oh,
You said that was awful. You said that's awful. That's the Walmart one.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Splenda's gross. Okay.
So, so you said this. First you said, "Oh, that's not good at all." Then you're like, "It's a 7." Well, 7 is pretty good.
Okay.
And I think
I
7
guess
is about
none of
what you
them
said
were
for-
really a 10. But
You didn't like any of them that much. You just don't like sugar.
well, I'm wondering if part of the problem is I've been off sugar for 2 weeks
Seems like you could taste it
because
more.
everything seems really sweet to me.
Oh, okay.
Okay, just a second. My
So-
glasses got all smeared. Hold on.
So you didn't like either one of the Walmart ones, or you liked the sugar one better than the non-sugar one?
I like the sugar one better than the non-sugar one, but still,
But-
Walmart. You're right. Walmart's gross.
You didn't like the sugar one. The sugar Walmart one you didn't like as much as any of the others.
No.
So brand name does matter here unless you're giving it to somebody else. Flavored pectin paste.
You. Or just open your mouth.
That one's good.
That one's really good. Okay.
That one's like an 8.
Okay.
If that's a Walmart one, I'm gonna be like, what?
We'll go back and see what number you gave it before because I don't remember now. Oops, sorry. Here, I'll just give it to you.
I don't like the texture. It wasn't too bad. It was probably a 6.
Okay.
Hold on.
That's it. You can take off your blindfold.
So which ones did you try me on?
6. You like this one. You like Smucker's better.
Smuckers is our friend.